Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to use Cursor 2.0 on a Windows operating system. So we are not only just going to install Cursor 2.0, but we are going to also give you a demonstration on how to use this latest version of Cursor for building an entire resume builder website where we'll have all these different forms. So you need to fill all these forms, and on clicking this generate resume button, it's going to generate a resume, a PDF resume just like this. Amazing, isn't it? So this is what we are going to build on Cursor. So first let's see how to install Cursor 2.0 and then we are going to build it. So go to your favorite browser, open a new tab and just simply type Cursor AI download. So that will show you first the sponsor result. You need to skip that and then you will get this cursor.com. So just go to their official site of Cursor. So this link I'm going to provide right in our channel description. Once when you are here, you will see that it is available for Mac OS, Windows and Linux. So it has automatically recognized that I'm using Windows. So just simply click on this download for Windows and it's going to start downloading your Cursor, and it is slightly downloaded. So just simply click on that installer and you're going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes, you can minimize your browser and accept this license agreement. Click on next. Everything is fine. Click on next. Next again. Here you need to select all these 5 options rather, and click on next. Ready to be installed? Click on install and our installation for Cursor is rightly began. So welcome back. So now you can clearly see that our Cursor is now rightly installed. Desktop shortcut also created over here. Launch Cursor option is rightly selected. Click on finish. That's going to launch our Cursor 2.0. So here is our Cursor. So here first you need to sign in. If you are already having some account, you can always proceed with login and you can log in. But if you are using Cursor for the first time, then you need to sign up. So just click on sign up. It's going to redirect to your browser. Here I am going to proceed with my Google Auth. So continue with Google. We'll select my Google account. Continue. So these are all data sharing clause. You can read it. Then you need to click on this. I'm fine with Cursor learning from my code. Just click on continue. So you are currently logged in as your email ID. Yes, login. And if you go to your Cursor, you can see we are logged in successfully now. So you can minimize your browser and you can maximize it. Here it shows preferences. You can keep it default and click on continue. I'm going to proceed with ID layout and midnight. I really liked this color, so I'm going to proceed with that and going to click on continue. Here also you need to keep everything as default and click on continue. So we are using Cursor free plan right now and we are going to build our entire resume builder website using Cursor free plan itself. So first you need to open your AI chat window. So for that you can click on this icon toggle AI pane. So a new chat window rightly open. Here you need to give your prompt. So I'll just give prompt that I want to create a resume builder web app which will have forms to capture user input, and on clicking generate resume button it should prepare a downloadable PDF resume file. So that's all we want. We need vibe coding. Just give your prompt and hit enter and start vibing. So it's rightly started. All you need to do is clicking on this accept button. So it can immediately start creating your index.html file. So it has created to-do list as well. So first it's going to create HTML file, CSS file implementing JavaScript logic to capture users data and then generating the PDF resume, and finally add that PDF generation and download functionality. So it's going to do all of that. It's going to also create a readme file as well. So that markdown file that you can add on GitHub. So this is all 5 steps it's going to perform, but it is throwing some error. So unable to write because we don't have permission. So that's why first it wants to create a folder. So first it wants to run this command mkdir resume builder, and then it wants to go inside that folder, and then it's going to create all those files. So that's why it is asking me to run this command. So you can just click on this run button and it's going to execute this command mkdir resume builder to create this directory. So it has created that directory and now it's want to go inside that resume builder project. So just click on run. So it has rightly created our resume builder folder now, and now it's again started creating our index.html. So just simply click on accept, and now it's going to create this index.html file right on our resume builder folder. And you can see that our index.html is now rightly done. Now it's time for style.css. So just simply click on accept. So immediately it's going to start building our style.css file. So if you go to your C drive, you can see it has created a resume builder project. So if you go inside that, you will see index.html file rightly created over here. So you can see that it has properly created our style.css file. Now it's time to create our script.js file as well. Just again click on accept. So started writing our script.js file now. And you can see that that is also rightly done. Our script.js file is created as well. Now it's want to create a readme.md file. You can click on accept. It's just a markdown file. It's going to create very quickly. And you can see that that is also rightly done. And now it's time to verify our project. So just simply click on run. And our app is ready to use. So go to your folder and here is our index.html file. So let's open this file on our browser. And here is our resume builder app, you can see. Beautiful, isn't it? So it has generated entire website for you in just minutes. So let's verify whether it is doing its job properly or not. So let's fast forward our video and fill all these details and then again come back to this video. So you can see I have filled all these details. So starting from name, full name, email ID, phone number, location, LinkedIn URL, then portfolio website URL, then professional summary, workx, company, start date, end date, description, again same for another company, description, education, field of study, institution, graduation date, grades, then skill, and finally certificates as well. And after that I'm going to click on generate resume PDF. So resume PDF generated successfully, click on OK. And wow, it is downloaded. So let's open it. Wow. So you can see it did pretty good job. You can see name first with all the details, then professional summary, workx, properly shown, then education, skill, and in the certification it went on to the next page and here it has just little discrepancy. This entire section is not getting shown on a single page. What we do is we move this entire thing to next page. So that logic is not written, but otherwise it has, even successfully created page 2 even when resume is getting a bit lengthier. But you understood the point. It really did a very good job, I must say. So that's how you create a resume builder website using Cursor by just simply writing a prompt and vibe coding. So you can open that project right on your cursor and you can see your files. So this is our index.html file, this is our JavaScript file. So if you need to modify anything, you can just again ask Cursor AI to modify that section of code. So you got a basic layout now and you can obviously enhance this to make it perfect, right? So yeah, so that's pretty much all about this video. Please do follow my other videos. I'm sure you're going to love them as well. So check out my description for more videos. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.